Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, my first video of 2022. In today's video, as you've already seen by the title, I'm going to be showing you what I received in this month's Boxycharm boxes. So I am signed up for the regular box and I also received the premium box. So let me go ahead and show you what I received. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So here is my regular box. Let's open this guy up. Here's my insert card, and this month's theme is refresh. Pretty cute. Okay, and it looks like in my box there is a eyelid and dark circle corrector, and this is from the brand Dermalite. Here it is, and let's see what this guy is worth. This guy is worth $59, and it looks like it's powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents. This eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. The light diffusing pigments instantly blur imperfections and conceal damage, while the smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator helps stimulate circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and rejuvenated eyes. Cool. So here's what the product looks like. Oh, okay, has a really cool applicator right there. All right, next, it looks like we got something from Dragon Beauty. And this guy is worth $18. And it looks like we got, I think it's a lip liner. Oh, yeah. It's a lip liner and a sharpener. It says it is. Let's see. So here's the liner. This is a ginormous lip liner. Where's the sharpener? There's the sharpener. Okay, so contour. Okay, so it looks like obviously you can contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Obviously. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips, needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with this single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. Cool. And it's nude. Can't go wrong with a nude color. All right, next in my box is from Pharmacy. So this is Feeling Good, hyaluronic acid, plumping serum. Cool. I actually need hyaluronic acid. And this guy is worth $44. And this claims it's a skin plumping microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy-looking skin. Cool. All right, and it looks like I received something from LYS Beauty, and it seems to be a bronzer. I think I already got this in a previous box. Let me see, or I might have bought it like in I don't know if I received it in one of my boxes or if I actually bought it through Boxycharm too, but when they have their little sales. You see, here's mine. Mine is in the shade Harmony. And what is shade? Oh, this is darker, so this is in the shade Strength. And this guy is worth $18, and it's a velvety in texture. This clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract, this finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the skin of imperfections and texture. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Cool. Okay, and then the last thing in my base box is from, what brand is this? Oh, okay. It's Item Beauty. Can you guys see that? It's from Item Beauty, and it looks like this is a Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Awesome. And this guy retails for $14. And what does this guy do? So thanks to good for you ingredients like, so it does contain jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia japonica seed oil, and shea butter. This luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. Cool. And this is in the shade Come Through. Can you guys see that? I guess it's not focusing. So here's the shade here. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like peach. Cool. Okay. So that is everything I received in... Yeah, so that's everything I received in my base box, guys. Let me go ahead and show you what I received in my premium box. So here's my premium box. And then the insert, here's the insert for the premium, and this one says Better Beauty, okay. Nice, and it has this on the inside. Okay, so looks like I got an eyeshadow palette. Yep, this is from Ather Beauty, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And this guy retails for $48. And it has 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. Cool. Let's take a look at the shades inside. Oh, nice. So it has this little insert inside. It says, listen to your dreams. They are orphic and penetrating and more meaningful that you can imagine. Cool. I love that. I'm going to keep this actually because I like that. And it has a little unicorn in the back. And it has a little message on the inside too. And then here are the shade, guys. Really pretty. The shimmers seem a little chunky. Here, see. All right. Okay, next thing is it's from Persona Cosmetics, and it looks like it's a lip liner because I don't have enough lip liners, so I could always use an extra one. Here's the shade, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? 90210. Cool. Who grew up with 90210? I know I did. I was obsessed. Okay, so this guy retails for $14, and it says line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Cool. All right, next thing in my box, I believe I picked this out. This is from the brand Wishful, which is by Huda Beauty, and it is in cleansing butter. And this guy retails for $35. And this is a cleansing butter infused with green tea and cherry blossom extract to melt away makeup and impurities while keeping the skin feeling soft and supple instead of greasy and dry. Cool. So here's the actual component. Okay, it smells clean. Here's what it looks like. Not bad. Okay, and then I received another item from LYS Beauty, and this is what is this? It's a gripping serum primer. Okay, this guy retails for $20, and this is a daily serum primer that helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks. Cool. Okay. We're gonna try this out because I definitely do have oily skin. I'm more oily combination. So I do tend to get oily through the day. So it says pore plus shine control. Cool. Okay, and then I got something from Kosas Beauty. And this is Air Brow. It's a tinted volumizing treatment gel. Okay. And this guy retails for $22. And it's a clean tinted moussey gel for airy, feathery brows, boosted by hair care activities that condition and support full brow health. Get effortless, fluffy, face-framing brows with just the right amount of volume from biodegradable plant-based fibers, high pigmented yet natural tint, and strong yet flexible hold. The custom triangular spoolie boosts and lifts each hair. Each nourishing swipe supports brows in reaching their growth potential. Okay, I will try this out. This is in the shade dark brown. I'm very picky with brow products. I'm into the feathery brows, as you guys can see, but I have used several products and they will not help me set my brows. Like, my brows tend to move throughout the day because, again, I do have oily skin. So I always end up going back to my glycerin soap bar, guys. Does not fail me at all. But I'm willing to go ahead and give this guy a try. Here's a little spoolie. All right, so we'll definitely go ahead and give this guy a try. And then the last item in my box is from Juice Beauty. Okay, and this guy retails for $36. And this is a clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. All right, cool. Okay, so here's what this guy looks like. Ooh. Check that out. It doesn't smell bad. It's all right. Another mask. Cool. All right, so that's everything I received in my boxes this month, guys. Let me go ahead and just calculate everything, and I will let you know what my boxes were worth this month. All right, guys, so my base box is worth $153. Can you guys see that? Okay, $153, not bad. And then let me just go ahead and calculate my premium box. Okay, my premium is worth $175. All right. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Definitely go ahead and let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to go ahead and see from me. I will also go ahead and leave all the information regarding Boxycharm in my description box. So definitely go ahead and check that out. And yeah, so that's it, guys. So let me go, let me know. All right, guys, so until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will definitely appreciate the support, and I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I am currently in the what kind of bra story am I into right now? I completely went blank.